Hello everyone. So today we'll continue with D operators case 5. Okay. So here we have case 5 formula, that is 1 by f of d into e to the power of ax will be the question format, and the answer format we can solve using 1 by f of a. That means we are replacing d with a into e to the power of ax. A is nothing but this a. Okay. If f of a is not equal to 0, that means this denominator is not equal to 0, we can use this formula. If the denominator is equal to 0, what we are going to do is we are differentiating the denominator. Okay, that is this f of a we are differentiating once, or f of d you can differentiate, both are one and the same. Okay, so f of d becomes f dash of d. So f dash of d will be replaced by f dash of a. So you can either do it directly from f of a or from f of d. Okay, so again if this f dash of a is not equal to 0 or equal to 0, okay, that is differentiation of this f of a is equal to 0 again, then we can go with the next method. If it is not equal to 0, continue with the same formula. Okay, so if this is equal to 0, again differentiate this once again, that is f double dash of a, and use this formula. So first, when you are not differentiating and if you are having only f of a, the formula will be 1 by f of a into e to the power of ax. If you are differentiating, you have to multiply it with x. Okay, and if you are differentiating twice, you have to multiply it with 1 x square. Okay, solve t square minus 5d plus 4 into y is equal to 7 into e to the power of 4x. So first what we have to do, in order to find the complementary function, we have to write the auxiliary equation, right? So what is auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m plus 4 is equal to 0. That is, we have replaced this d with m. Okay, so we get m square minus 5m plus 4 is equal to 0. So how to solve this? This is a quadratic equation, so we can split the middle term, right? So how to split 1 into 4 is 4. So splitting this 4, when we multiply these two numbers, we have to get this. When we add, we have to get this number, right? So we have 1 4s are 4. So we want plus 4. So 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. But we have minus 5. So what we have? If I am taking minus 1 into minus 4. So minus into minus becomes plus. And 1 into 4 becomes 4. Minus 1 minus 4 becomes minus 5. So we can write this as m square minus m minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. So taking m common outside, what do you have? M minus 1. Taking 4 common outside, we have m minus 1. So minus into minus becomes plus inside here, equal to 0. Taking m minus 1 common outside, what is remaining? M minus 4. So equating this to 0 and this to 0, we get m is equal to 1 or m is equal to 4. So we have two roots for this equation, that is, one is m is equal to 1 and 4. So check the roots. So roots are real numbers, but both are different. So roots are real and distinct. So what is your complementary function? So yc can be written as c1 into e to the power of ax, so or mx. So that is 1 into x. So you can just write it as x plus c2 e to the power of 4x. Now to find yp, that is particular solution. So what is the formula we had? That is, what is there after this equal to? That is, what you have after this equal to? 7 into 4x. So we can write this as 7 into e to the power of 4x divided by, what was there? What was the auxiliary equation with respect to d? It was d square minus 5d plus 4. So now in the place of d, we are substituting it with a. That means d is being replaced with a. What do you get? So here we have replaced d with a, and now check this out. Your a value is this. That means a is equal to 4. Since a is equal to 4, this equation becomes 7 into e to the power of 4x divided by 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 4. So what do you get? 7 into e to the power of 4x divided by, that's nothing but 0. So what is it? The case f of a is equal to 0. That means we have to come for the next case, that is we have to find the differentiation of the denominator, right? So first derivative, what is it? 7 into e to the power of 4x, numerator is as it is. So denominator, if you differentiate this once, that is what happens, 2a minus 5 plus 0. So now replace a is equal to 4 here. What do you get? We have 2 into 4 minus 5. That is 4 to the 8 minus 5. What do you get? 3. Right? So we have the particular solution to be 7 into e to the power of 4x divided by 3. So your complete solution, the total solution will be y is equal to yc plus yp. So what was yc we found out? We had c1 e to the power of x plus c2 e to the power of 4x plus what is your yp? 7 into e to the power of 4x divided by 3. Right? So this is your required solution. Thank you.